So Chris and I just working on the Volvo S40. No air conditioning. Got lots of refrigerant inside, but the clutch wasn't turning, so we pulled it off with the shim out of it, and it's not dragging. Turn it on, Chris, and see how it works. Good clutch should pull in. There it goes. Hot day and everything, you know you want to have AC, right?
Always want to have AC.
Good enough sweating. Let's give this a try and see what happens. How's your light? There you go.
The light is good. Somewhere in the air conditioning is working.
Yeah, I know. Don't want to be sweaty anymore. How's it been sweaty going to work or what?
Very sweaty. It works for the first 5-10 minutes and it kind of gets super hot after that. It's kind of pumping the hot air out. So I am hopeful. I mean, it's nice that it's working now.
All right.
Let's see.
We'll see. We'll let it run for a little bit.
Yeah.
See if we can cool us down. All right, it's about 27 degrees outside. See what you have. I'm going to rid of the old laser right up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo!
Now press it again.
Yeah. Well, the max is so it's down to 14.6 degrees Celsius. Now if that don't put them little goosebumps on your legs, nothing.
Seriously. I'm liking it. Plus we have the window open too, so yeah, 14 degrees. That's just about darn perfect.
Nice, and it's like say the
Yeah,
ambient little
14
breeze
still.
out here. It looks like it's cool, but it's like 27 degrees out here. Yeah, I'm liking it. Chris got the laser going to seeing which one.
Yeah,
Which one of us
degrees.
is the hottest? What am I?
Oh look, you were 5.5 on 34.4. So Kevin's hotter. You're hotter by 1.
As if we
Depending
needed
on the scale of what's going on.
As if we need a thermometer to tell that. All right, peace out. See you later.
See you
Gonna button it
later.
back up.